Hello and welcome to part 2 of the tutorial videos. We just did Trust Hub and you'll see that the button is now green. And next I'm going to do phone numbers. So the first thing you can do is just hover this, kind of read about it. But basically we're just going to be provisioning a phone number to the account and I'll show you that process. So just go ahead and hover the button, hit setup. It's going to bring you to this screen. So it'll show you how many phone numbers you're using out of your included plan amounts. Probably everyone's is going to say 0 if you're watching this video. Then the next thing you're going to want to do is just hit add new number. So you can click that. It'll bring up 3 different ways to search. So you can search by state, by area code, or by pattern. And I'll go through each of them. So state, if you just want to just type in any state. I'll just do Texas here. It'll show up and it'll give you 5 phone numbers. So each time you hit search, no matter which category you're searching in, it's going to give you 5 results. If you don't like any of those 5, you can just keep hitting search and it'll give you 5 more each time. So just keep doing it as many times as you want until you find a number that you like. If you have a very specific area you want to have an area code in, you can go ahead and do that. I'm just going to stick with the Texas theme here and hit search. So it'll bring up area codes that you're looking for, and you can just again hit search as many times as you want to bring up different ones. And once you're satisfied, you can choose one, or if you want to go by pattern. So if you wanted to do a pattern that you wanted 518 in it, you can just do that and put stars. So you put stars as placeholders for numbers you don't care about. So this would be the area code, this would be the prefix, and then this would be the last 4. Anyway, you can hit search and it's gonna give you numbers with 518 in it. So here we go. Here we go. It looks like I was actually short a star, so it's kind of throwing it off. Anyway, it's got 518 in all of these. And so yeah, you can go ahead and get a phone number that way if you want. One thing to note is that you should be able to get a phone number in almost every area code in the US. There's a few exceptions, and it's because they are sold out. So things like the main Miami area code would be 305. Alaska 907 is pretty much sold out. There's also Seattle, one area code in LA, and then Phoenix as well. The older area code in Phoenix is sold out as well. But anyways, once you find a number that you like, so I'll just pick a random number here, and it's going to pop this up. So it's basically going to make you confirm, tell you if you've gone past your allotted amounts, that it's going to be an additional charge for it. So once you're happy with the phone number you have, you can just hit yes, and you'll see it'll think for a second, and it will provision the phone number. So here's your shiny new phone number ready to call. Up here, if you can see, this was blank and now that phone number is there. And that's all you need to do. Then you can just hit back and continue the rest of the tutorial, and you'll notice that now phone number is green.